This scatter is called counting duplicates. What we basically have to do is create a function that takes a string as an input, and we have to return the amount of duplicates. But note, we have to return the distinct case-insensitive alphabetic characters. So if we are dealing with any capital and lowercase characters, we have to treat them as the same character. How to go about that? First things first, let's convert the string to all lowercase letters with the following method, text.lower. Let's print the text here. Yeah, we're dealing with all lowercase letters now. What I want to do now to count the duplicates is to create a new dictionary and assign all the letters to a key value pair. So let's call it dictionary is equal to curly braces. And yeah, let's iterate now through the text and assign the key value pairs. For letter in text, print the letter. Yeah, there they are. First of all, I want to assign the keys. So we use the dictionary for that. And in square brackets, we put in the letter that we want to assign to a key. And to assign a value, we use the following dictionary and the .get method that will try to retrieve a value from the key, but it won't be assigned by default. So let's put in as the first argument the letter and as the second argument a 0. And that will assign a 0 to every single letter, every iteration. Let's print it out. Yeah, there we have it. All the letters have a key value pair now. But yeah, we want to make a differentiation, right? If it hits an I, we want to assign it a value of 1 instead of 0. But if it runs into an I again, we want to assign it another value because we run multiple times into the I and we want to add up the value. So what we can do is to add up 1 here on the right hand side. And that basically means that if it runs into the I the first time, it will assign a value of 1. But at a later iteration, it will retrieve a value of 1, but add up 1 as well. So it will have a new value of 2. And it will add up till we finish the iteration. So let's print out the dictionary again. And there we have it. As you can see, we have 7 instances of I. And we have 2 instances of S. So we are dealing with 2 duplicates. But how do we return the number of duplicates? Well, for that we have to iterate through the dictionary. So for letter and amount in dictionary, and then we need to access the items, of course. So we have to use .items. Let's print the letter and amount to have a look which condition we have to use here. As you can see, we have to use the amount. If the amount is more than 1, we have to somehow return it. Oh, well, let's do the following. Let's create a new variable duplicate is equal to 0. And then add up 1 with the duplicates if the amount is more than 1. So if the amount is more than 1, we add up 1 with the duplicates, plus equal 1. And then we return the duplicates. So on default, when you haven't any duplicates, it will return 0. But on the other hand, if you're running into duplicates, it will add up 1 with duplicates. And then at the end, it will return the amount of duplicates that you have run into. And as you can see, that works like a charm. So let's test it out. Test. And attempt. Wonderful. Works like a charm. If this has been helpful and useful, please consider dropping a like. And hope to see you in another video. Ciao.